Hi students, today I will teach you about phonetic transcription and which help you to pronounce any English word easily. So let's start this video. Students, you all know we have 24 alphabets in English, and from 24 alphabets we have 21 consonant and 5 vowel letter, and this is about letter. But if we go to our English sound, then we have 44 sounds in English. This is about our sounds, not about letter. Letter are 24 and sounds are 44. From 44 sounds we have 24 consonant sound and 20 vowel sound. And do you know, from 21 consonant letter we get 24 consonant sounds. And these are, I will make you clear understand about how the letter is pronounced and their phonetic transcription and how they are used in any word. And from that you can easily make the phonetic transcription of any English word. So let's start. Here this is B letter, not B sound. Letter is B but the sound is bo. When you are writing its sound, always puts the sound between the slash mark, as in the word back. When you will transcribe or when you will do phonetic transcription of the word back, and this is the phonetic transcription of the word back. For B, this is bo sound, and for A, this is the transcription of vowel sound. In my next video, I will clear you about this phonetic transcription of the vowel sound. So this is A sound, then ko sound, and also put this between slash mark. Then come to next consonant letter. This is C. This is C letter, but its sound is ko, as in the word cup. C-U-P, cup. The letter is C, but pronunciation is or its sound is ko. So it is written as K and O sound, then po sound. Ko sound, O sound, then po sound, and put it between slash mark. Okay, then come to the next letter, that is D. This is D letter and its sound is D, or its phonetic transcription is D, as in the word dog. For D, you will take D sound, then O. This is vowel. I will make you clear about these vowels later. Then O sound. Then for go, this is go sound. Then this is the transcription of the word dog. Then come to next letter, that is F. After B, C, D, then F consonant letter, and for F letter sound is F sound, as in fat, and it is written as for fat, F-A-T, fat. For F, this is its sound is F, and A, then T. F sound, A sound, and T sound. This is the transcription of the word fat. Then come to the next letter. This is G, and when G is pronounced as go, go sound, and its transcription is go, go sound, then as in the word get. G, for G, this is go sound, then A sound, then T sound. Then come to next letter. This is H. For your H letter, the sound is ho, and as in the word hen, sound, then a sound, then no sound. Hen, the transcription of the word hen. Then come to here, you have to remember. These are easy to remember you, but this will make some difficulty to remember you. I will make you clear. See here, for J, there are 3 sounds written as D3, Z and O. When any word starts with G or J and pronounced as Jo, sound, but written as writing starts from G or J. There you have to write this D3 as the word judge. Here you have to write D3, then O sound, then D3. Then next, the transcription is like Z, and Z is written in the transcription of for the J letter. Z sound is written when the word is written with the letter S or Z as size. Written with S or Z and pronounced as Jo sound. Here you will write in transcription the sound Z or Jo sound. Then other is O sound as in ESER, like the word pleasure. ESER, pleasure. There you will write this phonetic transcription of J. Is that clear? It has 3 transcription sounds. These are D3, Z or O. When any sound or when any word written as G or J, there you will write D3. And in word, if it is written with S or Z, you will write Z, sound Z. And as pleasure, J sound, for J sound it is written as like this. Then come to next letter, that is L. And for L sound, for L letter, the sound is L sound, as in cool, COOL, cool. For that, the transcription is for C. This is the sound, co sound. Then U, long U sound. Then L sound. This is the transcription of cool. Then come to next letter, that is M. And for M letter, the sound is Mo sound. And as in the word mat. Then come to the next letter, that is N. And the sound is No sound, as in the word net. The next letter is P. Letter is P, but the sound is Po sound. Don't say the sound is P sound. The sound is Po sound, not P sound. Then as in the word pet. Then the letter is R and the sound is Ro sound, as in rat. So like this, you have also easy to remember these sounds. But like J letter, S letter has also 2 phonetic transcription according to its spelling. See carefully. You will use this saw sound when the pronunciation is as saw, as in the word say, and written as S-A-Y, say. When you will transcribe this word say, you will write its transcription sound, this saw. But if the spelling starts from SH, for SH saw sound, you will write this type of long S, like long S sound. Its transcription is like this, saw. as in the word shirt, S-H-I-R-T. For S-H, you have to write the sound this saw. So S letter have two sounds, as in say, as in shirt. Then come to to sound, and this is also for T letter, this is to sound. Then as in the word tap. Then for letter V, this is bha sound, as in van. Then come to the letter W, and its sound is also va sound, as in the word wonder. Then come to the letter Y, and for Y letter the sound is written like J, small j, as in the word yes. Word is yes. When we transcribe this word yes, we will write as small j e s and put them within the slash marks. Then come to this sound, chaw sound. When we have to write the word chalk. For chaw sound, this is the mark. Chaw sound, T-S, chaw sound. Then for thaw sound, as in the word thank. As in the word thank, the thaw sound is like theta. Like theta is the thaw sound. When you will transcribe this word thank, you will write theta, then a sound, then n, then ko sound. No sound, ko sound. Then come to the next sound, that is do sound. And for do sound, this is the transcription of do sound. Like this D, then put your mark. Do sound, as in the word father. Father. For do sound, this is its transcription is like this. Then for ngo sound. Ngo sound, the phonetic transcription or the sound is like this, written like this, as in the word ryang. So students, I think I will make you clear about the phonetic transcription of these consonant sounds. In my next video, I will make you clear understand about the phonetic transcription of vowel sounds. So for that, keep watching my upcoming videos and like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.